Sagittarius, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for November 18 to 24, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong promo ngayong November, 25% discount sa tarot reading services kapag nag-book kayo ngayong November. So, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. I-check nyo na lang kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, Sag, let's see what's coming to you, energy ngayong week na to. Weekly energies for Sagittarius. Uy, rest. Kailangan nyo daw magpahinga. Or, ngayong week na to, medyo chill. Hindi kayo masyadong busy or maaring inallocate nyo yung week na to para magpahinga or mag-slow down, you know. So, you will give more time para sa iyong sarili. Diba? Self-care, self-love. Pwedeng may travel opportunities this week na kung saan mas makakapag-relax ka. Kailangan natin yan. You have the Ace of Wands, the Chariot. You have the Knight of Cups, Eight of Pentacles, and the Wheel of Fortune. Okay. Maaring itong rest na to, sinasabi, suggestion to sa'yo. Kailangan mo daw magpahinga. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, very busy. Biglang ganun, no? Oo, minsan kasi, kahit alam natin na kailangan natin magpahinga, parang nahihinayang tayo dun sa oras at panahon. Actually, sabi nila, yung resting is also being productive. 'Di ba? Kasi para kang nagre-recharge. So, you need to give yourself some love. Ayan. You have the Ace of Wands. So, new inspiration, new opportunities. Maaring excited kayo ngayong week na to sa mga bagong magaganap, no? May bago kang trabaho, may bago kang project, mayroong new source of income, kaya parang very excited ka, or may bago kang libangan, no? This can be related to your creativity, related to yung mga plano mo sa buhay. Kumbaga, unti-unti na isa sa katuparan mo na siya. You have the Chariot, which is about success. This is victory. This is also moving forward, going to a new direction. Oo, so for some of you, alam nyo na kung anong path yung tatahakin nyo. At itong path na to is something that magkakaroon ka ng fulfillment, happiness. Okay, if you are in a relationship with someone, pwedeng kayo ay magsispend ng time together para magpahinga, para magbakasyon. Lalo na kung ikaw yung tipong very busy, no? Tapos, sasabihin ng partner mo na, uy, ano ka ba, Sagittarius? Ano ka ba, love? Magpahinga naman tayo. Ayan. So, maaring siya yung, magpupush sa'yo na give yourself a break. Okay? If you are single, pwedeng meron person dito na magpakita ng interest sa'yo. Pwedeng sa trabaho to. I think this person is parang ina-admire ka sa work ethics mo dahil maayos yung trabaho mo or magaling ka makisama. So, this person might be showing you some love or interest or attention ngayong week na to. You have the Eight of Pentacles. Meron kang minamaster. Minamaster na skill, minamaster na knowledge, kaalaman. Kaya parang nanghihinayang ka sa mga oras na hindi mo to nagagawa. Well, kailangan manage mo lang yung time mo, syempre, para balance naman, 'di ba? Hindi lang puro trabaho kasi nakaka-drain din 'yon. You also need to give yourself a break and to have fun, enjoy, break free, okay? Things are going to change for you, Sagittarius. May mga bagong kagigiliwan ka ngayong week na to. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng lilipat ng bahay or nasa process kayo ng paglipat ng bahay, pagpaplano. Yung iba naman can be travel opportunities, like you want to travel abroad or you want to work abroad. So, kumbaga, nagiging in alignment na yung mga goals mo sa nangyayari sa'yo in the present moment. Okay? Let's see ano pa for Sag. Oh, ayan oh, may ship. Yung iba sa inyo, kayo ay seaman. Oo, seafarer. Ayan. Or nandun yung career ninyo. Some of you naman, magta-travel through cruise ship. Or sa ibang bansa or offshore. Ayan. Pwedeng pupunta kayo sa Boracay or sa lugar na may beach, may water kasi dito. You have gentleman. So this is an energy of masculine energy. So pwedeng yung iba sa inyo merong masculine energy that is showing you some love. This can be your romantic partner or a new person sa buhay mo. And yung iba, if you are looking for love, maaring kapag nag-travel kayo, meron kayong makilala. Oo, this can be a foreigner, no? Kung dun sa mga naghahanap ng foreigner dyan. O, yan o, my heart. Yes, and I think, sabi rito, romance is in full bloom. Oh, if you're in a relationship, mas lalong magiging matatag yung connection, relationship ninyo ng person mo. If you're single, maaring merong attraction or admirer sa paligid mo. This can be sa trabaho or mamimit mo habang nagta-travel ka. Yung iba naman, this is about self-love, no? Taking care of yourself. Meron talagang nagpaparamdam. Magpaparamdam sa'yo. Pwedeng itong, kumbaga magko-confess ng feelings or magiging obvious siya sa pinapakita niya sa'yo. Mga gestures niya sa'yo, parang there's something special na ginagawa niya for you. And this is also about bringer ng good news. So, maaring may darating na good news para sa'yo, lalo na kung galing ito sa ibang bansa. Pwedeng ito ay in-applyan mo or galing sa person that you are connecting with. Success assured with good plans and hard work. O, ayan. So, kailangan daw yung mga plano mo, yan, meron siyang hard work. Gagawan mo siya ng action. Dahil definitely that will be successful. Magiging successful yan. Ang daming eggs. Parang may new beginning sa inyo. An emotionally secure, loving family is important to you. So, nest is also about parang bahay, no? So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring may mabibili kayong bahay kasi naka-point na naman to sa bahay, o, 'di ba? Bibili ng bahay or property or lilipat na sa isang mas masaya or maayos na mas komportableng pamumuhay. May misunderstanding, so pwedeng ito ay sa person na kausap mo, ka-deal mo, whether sa business or sa isang transaction. So make sure na ipapahiwatig mo ng maayos yung gusto mong sabihin para maiwasan nyo ang misunderstanding. Okay? So that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. Good luck.